Hey guys, this was in microwave. This is part 3. We were going to do another live stream, but no. So I just started getting pliers, cutters. I started going around and what it's been welded, and then turn that part off. So it popped off. And not what's inside. It's got copper. So I thought, let me just do that little cutter. Good stuff there. So I've got 2 pieces of copper. Really just a tiny bit of copper on it, but I'm sure I'll get them out at some point. What I need to do, here, here, and here. It's only been put in. And now, what it needs to do is, it should, I think it was square, I think it was K&D scrapping where he said, or sewing me. Technically he said it's just a pull out or something that comes out somewhere. Don't know how he did it. So because probably he's got a vice in that and just don't with, hold it with my bare hands. We can get cutters on it. Like that. Then, while I've bended that back, bend that back there. See if I can bend that there. I could just bend it there, bend it there. That there. Bit of brass. Soft brass, but it is brass. Yeah, he said that was stainless up top. Yeah, that's it. So like magnets, has anybody got any of these and you're getting rid of them and you're no longer you don't want them, please let me know. Yeah, I don't mind them. I don't mind having them. There's no what. I bet these. What now? What now? Negative and that. What now? If I turn them round. What now? No, it didn't hurt me. Just did that too. No, that's got that hurt me. Pinch me. No, but that also has to go. No touch. I wish I didn't do that. Wish I didn't do that. I wish I didn't do that now. Look guys, you ready? This is what I'm forcing me up. Right, stand up. Forcibly woo you. Right. And then it's like that bacon on me. Oh, I don't want to get stuck back together again. Yeah. Where's it over? I know they were going to do that. I don't know why I did it. Just shove that in there. No. Might have to get banged that way. Organise it. I'll show that out because apparently Snobby gets them. And what it is, it's just like copper around that thing there, that's stainless here. Yeah. I'll figure a way I'll get that off. Might just need an hammer smack down it. Trying to look at the creases on it. So that's how I figure out where you get it off. I'll just get a hammer, I'll do it outside when I get time and I'll just smack it off. And that's it, that goes. So that's one bit. Down there, so I've got a bit of brass, a bit of copper. And put the tools away and that's it, see you guys in a bit.